Hi, I'm Anjali Verma from Nabhastra Private Limited. I'm the MD of the company, and we are at AMTZ. We are a drone manufacturing company, and bringing a little change, we are making medical drone of India. We are aspiring to be the first Type A certified medical drone manufacturers here. My drone is capable of flying with blood, platelets, organs, and vaccines. We have been able to achieve certain parameters which are needed to actually deliver that kind of critical care. We might be able to launch it somewhere 3 months down the line soon. We are also incubated into IIT Madras. So my technology is being well looked after and taken care of by IIT Madras professors, Professor Rama and Professor Bharat. They are supporting us in this mission, and yes, we are bringing the change with it. We are also into logistic, agriculture and surveillance drones. Our drones are doing wonderful job in defense today. We are two directors into the company, and we both belong to defense. So we understand the need of the hour. We understand the requirement of defense along with the medical sector, and we just cannot avoid the fact that in India, defense and medical goes hand in hand. We have a vast borders to protect, and without medical supplies and technology built for the medical sector, we can't reach the pinnacles. So we are trying to build the gap. We are trying to suffice what has never been done before, and we are looking forward for a good support from the government sector and the medical sector. So these are our two prototypes of medical drones. This comes with a payload capacity of 10 kgs, and this comes with a payload capacity of 2 to 5 kgs. This is capable of flying with blood and vaccines, also the critical care medicines. And this one is capable of flying with blood and organs. So this is vibration and soundproof, so we can actually protect platelets while we transport it from one place to another. This is what this drone is capable of doing. So this can cover the distance of 20 kilometers as of now. The communication can be enhanced if we are given good opportunity to test it. And also along with that, this can lift 10 kgs of payload, as I already mentioned. And the flight speed is almost 40 to 60 kilometers per hour. So Nabhastra is also coming up with its very first in India technician training course for medical drones in association with AMTZ, also which would be certified by IBSC, where we will be teaching students how to make medical drones, how to keep in mind the certain parameters you have to take care when you are operating a drone system for the medical care. So this is what we are coming up with. We are bringing something new and want to help the new generation to provide a new kind of skill training. In this course, we are also teaching drone pilot training, which will be soon certified by DGCA. We are already in the process of getting the certifications, and the technician training course we are already running from the month of January. Thank you.